Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of the Health Tech News brought to you by Medicine Tech. This is our first news update in 2026. And you know how we do it here. I have amazing updates for you, especially because it's the month of Valentine. So at the end of this news update, you should expect something like a gift from us at Medicine Tech. So go nowhere. I'll be right back. Welcome back. First on the news update, OpenAI launches ChatGPT Health. OpenAI has launched ChatGPT Health, allowing users to link medical records, wellness apps, and wearables. The company said in its announcement, ChatGPT can help you understand recent test results, prepare for appointments with your doctor, get advice on how to approach your diet and work routine, or understand the trade-off of different insurance options based on your healthcare patterns. Well, I know users use ChatGPT to ask a lot of questions, including health-related questions. In fact, OpenAI has earlier published that over 40 million users of ChatGPT ask for medical advice every day. But right now, ChatGPT Health is beyond users going to ask for medical advice. They can connect apps including Apple Health to share sleep and activity patterns, MyFitnessPal for nutrition advice, AllTrails for hiking ideas, Peloton for walking suggestions, and other wellness apps. OpenAI said it has been working on this product for more than 2 years with more than 260 physicians from 60 countries. Well, that's a great number they have there. However, this service has not fully launched yet. OpenAI is giving access to a small group of early users for final refinement with a waitlist for others. Also, medical record integration is only available in the US, while the rest of the services is available globally, except for users in the European Union, Switzerland, and UK because of their strict digital privacy laws. On the other hand, Anthropic has introduced Claude for healthcare. Claude is a suite of artificial intelligence-based tools to assist healthcare providers, payers, and patients. With Claude, Anthropic is building a health insurance, portability, and accountability act, ready infrastructure for the boring but essential work that needs to be done by doctors in the hospital. You know, the stuff that physicians do that makes them to want to quit medicine. Stuff like prior authorization, insurance appeals, and clinical trial protocol drafting. So they're basically lifting off administrative functions from doctors so they can focus properly on taking care of their patients. That is brilliant. You can think of it this way. OpenAI built a patient portal replacement, while Anthropic builds a clinical operation platform. OpenAI believe that the healthcare system can be reshaped by informed, activated patients that arrive at the hospital with data about their health. You know, patients that already have ideas about what is wrong with them. Why Anthropic believe that the healthcare system can be reshaped by clinicians who are finally freed from administrative functions. So what do you think about this solution these two platforms are bringing on board? Well, I believe that this is going to make patients to grow smarter. Imagine coming to the hospital and your doctor is telling you this. And you're like, I checked ChatGPT Health. This is the data I got. So what are you telling me about my health? This can cause a sort of bridge between patients and their healthcare providers. And on the other hand, there's the documentation part. These two companies are going after documentation. Medical records, patient information. There needs to be digital policies in place and they need to be enforced to ensure that patients' data are safe. Safe, very, very safe. Okay, let's leave ChatGPT Health and Anthropic and go on to the next news update. Next on the news, Gates Foundation and OpenAI launches a $50 million AI healthcare initiative across Africa to counter AIDS crisis. Bill Gates announced on 21st of January that the Gates Foundation and OpenAI are launching a $50 million partnership to help several African nations leverage AI to enhance their healthcare systems and mitigate the effects of international AIDS reductions. This partnership, named Horizon 1000, will collaborate with African leaders to determine the most effective way to utilize this technology with Rwanda as the starting point. According to Bill Gates, in countries with significant shortages of healthcare workers and inadequate health infrastructure, AI has the potential to revolutionize access to high quality care. He also explained that AI could play a crucial role in helping the world recover from the recent cuts in international aid, which were followed by the first increase in preventable child deaths this century. Well, the cut in international aid is no longer news. It began with US in 2025 and has quickly spread to other countries like UK and Germany. According to Gates Foundation, global health development assistance dropped by nearly 27% in 2025 compared to 2024. Bill Gates highlighted that AI could be especially valuable to countries that are affected by this reduction. The Horizon 1000 project aims to reach over 1,000 primary healthcare clinics and surrounding communities across multiple African countries by 2028. Once at the clinic, AI will streamline administrative tasks such as reducing paperwork and linking patients' histories and appointments, making the process more efficient and faster. And of course, this will make visits to the hospital to be very fast, and it will also give doctors and other healthcare professionals more time to see more patients. This is really incredible, and I look forward to the amazing impact it's going to bring to the African continent. Now, to the most exciting update for today. This particular update is coming from us, Medics in Tech. And of course, that's why it's exciting. It's Valentine's season, so if you're a healthcare professional or student that is looking for the perfect gift for Valentine, don't worry, we've got you covered. We have the perfect Valentine gift created just for you. At Medics in Tech, we're leading the change for digital health literacy upskilling for healthcare professionals and students across Africa. And today, I'm excited to announce that the registration for the highly anticipated Healthcare AI and Data Literacy Challenge 2026 will be opened on the 14th of February. I mean, perfect Valentine gift. Don't you agree? AI DLC started in 2025, and with Data Camp partnership, we have empowered over 300 healthcare professionals and students across 19 African countries with customized AI literacy training. Our participants didn't just learn how to code, they are building solutions. For this year's cohort, we are doubling down. We are launching a first of its kind specialized challenge designed specifically for the African healthcare ecosystem. Participants can expect to explore the precision of medical imaging AI and AI for biomedical signals and neuroscience. The curriculum also covers the population-level impact of public health and geo-AI, extending into the frontiers of genomics and farm AI. I mean, there are exciting tracks for this year's cohort that you don't want to miss. I've mentioned some already. I mean, amazing tracks that you don't want to miss. This challenge is still open to healthcare professionals globally, although cash prizes are only available for students enrolled in African institutions. And after the cohort, if you want to go for advanced learning, there's an opportunity for that. So if you're a healthcare professional, a master's, undergraduate, or PhD student, mark your calendar for February 14. This challenge is free. I mean, you're going to be getting free access to learn these courses, to take this training. And if you're a student, you have the opportunity to compete for a pool prize. I mean, you don't want to miss that. So join the waitlist now in the link in the description of this video. I look forward to seeing you on board. Thank you for joining today's news. If you want more updates like this, do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on your notifications so you don't miss out. Also, do well to follow us on LinkedIn and TikTok so you don't miss out on the opportunities that we have for you. See you soon.